Welcome to High Hat Farms, one of Alabama's finest timber and recreational properties offered on the market today. For the avid outdoorsman, this property has all the features you have been looking for and the wildlife population to match. This 713 acres is conveniently located between Birmingham and Huntsville. Come on and take a look with us today. With two main accesses off of blacktop roads, access is no issue for High Hat Farms. This property boasts over 9.5 miles of internal roads and trail systems, accessible by truck or ATV year-round. Walker County Branch and Mullen Branch traverse this property year-round for great water accessibility for the wildlife. There are also 3 duck ponds and wildlife ponds located throughout the property. 16 food plots are strategically placed throughout the property, with great shooting houses placed on each of them. High Hat has a great diverse timber stand, including mature hardwood creek bottoms and several hundred acres of 20-plus-year-old pine plantation. One of High Hat's greatest features is the several 100-foot-tall waterfall flowing year-round. It is sure a sight to see with your own eyes. Take your ATV or truck to the highest point of the property and take in some of the state's greatest views from the highest point on High Hat Farms. Thanks for joining us today at High Hat Farms. Give me a call at 205-565-6680 to set up your private showing.